Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the price actually bounced very nicely today. Where it closed today, up here at $1.25 relative to its low point, which was down there around, a $1.05. That's a good 20-cent bounce. And when you consider this is a dollar stock, 20 cents on a dollar stock, good solid price movement. I'm assuming everybody would agree. Yeah, the price had a nice bounce today, but that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just one of those dead cat bounce, fake bounce type moves? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to me, the question all revolves around one level, and that's right here at the $1.15 mark. Why is the $1.15 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.15. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where the price essentially was during the low points of the day. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price rolls back over, kind of bounces on top of that previous range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what truly strong moves do, right? They're going to make progress forward, and I'm just defining progress as staying up above $1.15. What about levels of resistance? First one, if this party has any chance at all, is right here at $1.25. I realize if you're watching, the level twos, then you saw the bulls do battle with that level multiple times. So, it's very clear that there's a whole lot of sellers sitting at $1.25. So if this bounce has any hope at all of continuing, the bulls got to push through those sellers. Next level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there. I realize that's way up there, but that's a 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line will move downwards and get more and more relevant, but that'll be the next key level. But it's pointless to talk about that level until the price can prove it can get up through $1.25. So we'll have to see what happens with it. But no doubt about it, nice bounce today. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.